Recording in progress.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulil Kareem. Welcome to the lesson planning workshop. We will discuss, inshallah, its importance and motivation from the Quran and Sunnah. You will find this workshop very interesting, very useful, with lots of practical steps, tips and tricks. And inshallah, you will learn effective teaching strategies, which will give you results. So now let me start with the advice of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yassiru wala tu'assiru wa bashiru wala tunafiru. Meaning, facilitate things to the people, do not make it hard for them, and give them good news, and do not make them run away from the message or Islam. Only experts can make things simple. Only a visionary teacher with knowledge will be able to make things easy for the students. Now, keeping this hadith as a guiding principle for us as teachers, we should exert our level best to provide ease and comfort to the students so that they learn and they love the subject and implement in their lives. If we do not do that, if we do not make it easy for the students, they will run away from us. They will run away also from the subject. Let us learn from the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his advices. A young man came to him and was seeking a simple solution to improve his life. So the Prophet ﷺ counseled him and said, do not lie. In this simple solution lies his salvation and his life improved. Only expert can make things simple. So give ease and simplicity to the people. It is complex to make things simple, while it is simple to make things complex. Let us look at the role of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He did the tilawa, he did the tazkiyah, and he did the ta'aleem. If you look at the tilawa, spread the knowledge, recite with understanding. If you look at the tazkiyah of the people around, you have to be a mentor and a coach. Handhold them, take the students to the next level, guide them what to do, what not to do. And of course, it is not just in the classroom that your presence is felt. It is much beyond that. And of course, teaching is the implementation of Quran and Sunnah, and to gain the hikmah and implement that. Can I apply the role of the Prophet ﷺ in the classroom? Yes, I can do that. And this workshop is all about implementing how you can be the best teacher, keeping the guidance of the Prophet ﷺ in mind. Now look at the teacher's role. The teacher's impact is much bigger and outside the classroom. As teachers, we must work at the individual scale, micro scale, so that the impact is felt at the macro level, at the global level. Every student is a jigsaw puzzle that you help him fit into the bigger picture. He is a single dot, you help him to join with the other dots and make a network and a teamwork. So that the student, when he graduates from the school or from your class, plays a bigger role, a peaceful role in the world. The biggest role that you can ever play in your student's life or even your child's life is to help him realize and identify his strong points and the purpose in his life. Ignite the ambition in him. They should leave your class with a mind to play a major role in their own life and the world around them. Keeping this motivation in mind, let us now move to the next section, how and what is the definition of the lesson plan.